commodities in focus. Manisha is here in the studios to tell us what she's tracking this morning. Manisha, good morning.
Can't keep away from the metal sector at all, because today it's all about that, whether it's about copper, aluminum, iron ore, or even steel prices. Everything seems to be really inching up. We are also facing lower production numbers as the international agencies are coming out with them, and that shows lower production for aluminum and copper and steel as well, and that has been supportive for prices. Take a look at the steel prices, and we haven't really seen a meaningful profit-taking or correction come in for steel since the beginning of this year. We are now trading at a 7-month highs at Chinese yuan 4,250 per ton on the higher side of that. Actually, 42.70 is the last that I saw the prices trading at. We have seen constant support come in for steel as China reopening post the lockdown. Almost all commodities, metals especially, have taken a lot of cue from that. And then markets also are looking at various stimulus measures that China has been putting out, record low interest rates in China, and the expectation that when you have an annual meeting happen in China in the month of March, there could be additional stimulus measures announced at that point in time as well. Inventories have continued to decline. This is the time when you start looking at restocking, because the second quarter of every year is when you see infrastructure and construction start with a very strong number. And at this point in time, we are looking at buying coming in from stockists as well as downstream companies also. The Chinese property sector has seen some steady moves after 16 months of decline, and that has been supportive for all of these construction metals. The strong US employment numbers and the CPI data that came in last evening also has been supportive, suggesting that it's not just Asia, but the US numbers also are improving, and that could be supportive for infrastructure. This is a report that World Steel Association put out, suggesting that the world January production for steel has been at 145.3 million tons, which on an year-on-year basis has seen a decline of more than 3%. So lower production, weak inventories, strong demand, all of that definitely has been supportive for the steel prices, which has seen a gain of 5% on a week-on-week and 2.5% on a month-on-month basis.